Christine and welcome back to my channel. First time ko na mag-birthday vlog and it's a birthday staycation vlog. We are here sa Casa Marcela dito sa Friendship in Angeles City. So aside from it being a private villa with private na pool, meron din siyang private dining and this is the dining area. So it's like you have your own private chef. Let's start with the villa tour. Let's go. So many Instagrammable spots here. This is their garden. Meron pa silang pond. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo, but ayan, medyo marami na koi fishes. This is the dining area. If you want outdoor, so very nice dito, lalo na paggabi. Here, they have an outdoor mini bar. If you want coffee man yan or wine. So you could lounge here. And this is the pool area with yun, waterfalls. So this is 4 feet. Kita nyo naman may 2 adults and 2 kids ngayon sa pool. That's my sister, husband niya. And then si Tio and si Tala. So very spacious yung pool. Shower area bago ka mag-swim. So, it's very rustic. This is the entertainment area and also yung indoor dining. Kasi kanina pinakita ko pa lang yung outdoor, di ba? So, this is the indoor dining area. Entertainment area where you could play games. There's Monopoly board there and Netflix and chill. Dito naman may mini ref din and electric kettle. 6 lang kami. So, 2 rooms lang yung ino-occupy namin. And this is our room. 4 kami dito. 2 adults and 2 kids. So, yan. May 2 beds. Isang queen size and then isang double bed. Ayan, meron din couch. And yan yung suot ni Tala kanina. Terno nga kami. We have our own bathroom. Basic lang siya. May shower and toilet. I love this door so much because when you open it, meron siyang access sa pool. So, this is the second room. Same lang nung sa amin. Meron ding isang queen size and isang parang solo na bed. O, meron silang parang island or counter dito. They also have their own TV. Same lang nung sa amin. This is the dining setup. Very exquisite. Vlogger apprentice. Hi, Tio. You're trying to vlog? You're trying to vlog the food? Yeah. Talag na talaga yung baby ko. Pagod na pagod mag-swim. So, ayan. Ito yung breakfast na sinerve nila. Fried rice. We have bread, dragon fruit, tinapa, chicken nuggets, fried egg, pancakes, hot dogs, and corned beef. So, yung maganda sa kanila, guys, is hindi mo na kailangan magbaon, hindi mo na kailangan magluto, hindi mo na kailangan magpa-grab or magpa-food panda kasi kasali na yung breakfast and yung dinner din, yung dinner namin sa gabi. Of course, you just have to pay extra for it. So, para ka na rin naka-hotel, but solo mo yung place. Pwede ka rin umalis. Hindi mo tinutupi yung mga kumot, hindi mo hinuhugasan yung mga plato, hindi mo tinatapon yung mga basura mo. But I'm not saying gawin nyo yun, ha. What I'm saying is, it's not like the typical Airbnb na kung paano mo siya inabutan, ganun mo siya iiwan. Which is, dapat made up yung beds and everything else. My birthday cake is here. It's from Just Cookies. Pero binili ko to, guys. Siyempre, support small business. Oh my God! Is it a cookie or is it a cake? Ito ang kanilang cake. 4 inches siya.
합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 이렇게 한다. 이거 왜?
Already past 12, so magla-late check out na kami. Thank you so much guys for watching our vlog. Well, my birthday staycation vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to watch our other 3 staycation vlogs pa. I'm gonna link those down below, and also follow Casa Marcela on Facebook and Instagram. Say goodbye to the vlog.
Bye vlog.
Bye vlog. Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Yay! To Andrew's team. Bye-bye.
Is there something after there is nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.